Alright, I hope you're ready for your maths activity. You know how to do it by now. We did it yesterday as well. So write your name at the top. Write Miss Itzvit. Write 14-7-2020. And then put down your pencil and first listen to me. Put down your pencil and then listen to me. This paper is about the 3 times table. Now for the 2 times table, I think I gave you guys 3 minutes. Did I give you 3 minutes? No, I didn't. I think I gave you 3 minutes. I don't think that's what I wanted to do. But okay, I gave you... No, I did, because 1 minute for 20 questions. That sounded fine. But because this is the 3 times table, and it doesn't have a trick to it. The 2 times table had the doubling trick to it. And some of the others that we will come across along the line also have tricks to it, like you just add a 0, or you just... the number stays the same, like with 1 times, or 0 times means the answer is always 0. 3 times table does not have a trick to it. I hope you're not filling anything in yet. You are supposed to be listening to me. So put down your pencil and then listen to me. 3 times table, there is no trick. This is one of those that you are just going to have to go study, grade 2. This is going to come up in Friday's quiz. So I would suggest that you study your times tables. Times tables, I don't know. Okay, therefore, the reason I've been talking for 2 minutes, my word, Miss Itzvit, is because I want to say that I'm going to give you 5 minutes for this one. 5 minutes mean, I can't work out that maths right now. My brain isn't that awake. But okay. That means you are going to have a bit extra time. I actually personally feel like 5 minutes is a bit too long. But I will give you that advantage for now. So, 5 minutes for your 3 times table. Remember, let's quickly go through it. Don't do anything. Your pencil is down now. I'm only going to show you because I'm nice. Okay? So, just to quickly go through it. 3 times 0 gives me 0 because anything times 0 gives me 0. 3 times 1 gives me 3 because anything times 1 gives me the same number. 3 times 2 gives me 6 because anything times 2 means double. 3 times 3 is just something you're going to have to go count. 3, 6, 9. 9. 3 times 4... if you haven't studied it yet, it's something you will have to go count. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 times 5 means you count either way, but I find it easier to count in 5s 3 times. 5, 10, 15. You either have to choose one to be the fingers and one to be the counting. Okay, that's how it works. 3 times 6, if you go count it, is 18. 3 times 7, if you go count it, is 21. 3 times 8, if you go count it, is 24. 3 times 9, if you go count it, is 27. 3 times 10, anything times 10 means you just add a 0. 3 times 11, most of the numbers times 11 means you put 2 of them down. And 3 times 12, 36. So you go study that. I would actually recommend that you pause the video, study this, and then attempt the timed activity, which is what I will be starting with. So, I hope you are ready. If you are not, pause, do what you need to do, because you are going to be sitting here for 5 minutes now. Fill in as many as you can. I don't want any cheating. I don't want you filling in any of the answers afterwards. You only fill in those that you can now. Okay, so are you ready? Hold on, I just want to get the time perfectly. All right, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Fill in your answers. As many as possible. Try your best. You have 5 minutes. Keep going. Just count in threes. This is very good practice, grade 2. Keep going. Alright, there's a minute and a half that has passed. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Count in threes as many times as you need to. I'm hoping 5 minutes wasn't too long. You have 2.5 minutes that have passed already, which means there are 2.5 minutes left. This is very good practice, so just keep going, keep writing. Two minutes left. Come on, you can do it. Keep going. Most of you, or some of you are probably done already, and I'm saying you can do it. If you are done, just wait it out. There's a minute and 5 seconds left. Now there's a minute left. You have a minute. Get those last few sums done. .30 30 seconds. Whew, not 30 minutes. You can do it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Count in threes. Take it easy. Easy, step by step. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Pencils down, pencils down, pencils down. Good. So let's see how you did. Get a different color pencil. I'm taking my blue today because I'm so tired of my red pen. Okay. So I have my blue pen. Here I go. This is where you mark grade 2. So, first answer, 9. If you did not write 9, cross out what you wrote and then you write 9 next to it. Okay? 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 12, 36. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 12, 36. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 9 is 27. See, it takes me a second to work it out as well. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 7, I almost said 18. 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 3, 9. If you fall behind, because I am going very fast, I know that. But if you fall If you fall behind, pause the video, check where you want to check until you get to where I am, and then you play again. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 12, 36. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 7, 21. Sorry. Wait. 21. See, I also make mistakes. Don't worry. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 12, 36. 3 times 7, 21. Can you see here at the bottom? 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 12, 36. So you marked it. Please don't fill in any answers afterwards. I want to see how far you got. So that was our 3 times table. Tomorrow we do the 5 times table, and the day after that, the 10 times table. So this one, grade 2, if I can tell you something, is by far not the most difficult. Remember, I don't like it when we say that things are difficult, because what's difficult to you might not be difficult for someone else, and what's easy for you might not be easy for someone else. So this is by far the most, this is the one you are going to have to go memorize. Otherwise, I mean, you can always go and sit and count in 3s. That's always an option. But times tables are much easier when you just go study them. That's the easiest thing to do. Just memorize it. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 8, 21. Just go sit and memorize it at home, and you'll be fine in the quiz.